Hi, welcome to Cooker with Kitty. Today I'm making beef stroganoff. Beef is what's dinner.
Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Kitty. Today we are going to be making beef stroganoff in the crock pot. It's a nice, simple, quick meal that we've been enjoying for over a decade. So we're going to start by processing down a 2-pound piece of chuck roast. Just shave off that. Perfect. We do want to keep some fat on it because we want that to cook down in the crock pot. What about that size? Good job. Now we're going to cut them into cubes.
Hi Pierre, good morning Pierre. I did recipe and get how to cook it with Kitty. Cook with Kitty.
Alright, can you throw those into the bowl there? Can you say, beef?
Beef. I did it.
Good job. Glove 5-5. There you go. Alright, let's finish cutting. Handle. Alright, let's clean up a little bit and we'll move to the next step. Okay, so now we got our beef chunks. We're going to take about a half a cup to a cup of flour, sprinkle it on top, and toss all of the meat to coat. Like this. Toss, 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 toss. All right, that's good and coated. So let's set this off to the side and start making the sauce to go in. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so now we're going to start putting the sauce together in the crock pot. We begin with 4 cups of red wine. Look at that. That was exactly 4 cups, huh? So now, let's turn this just like that. Can you grab it by the handle? Use 2 hands. Put your upper hand there. Good job. And pour it into here. Good job. All right, now we need 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. Let's scrape it up. Perfect, just like that. All right, and now we need 2 packets of onion soup mix. So hold it here. Scissors. Pull them open. Cut right along here. Pull open. Good job. Pull them open. Good job. Whisk it all together.
That smells good.
So now we're going to add the floured pieces into the sauce. Go for it, Key. Drop them in. The flour will help the sauce thicken as it cooks. Alright, give it a stir from the bottom so that way the meat and the sauce mixes together. Good job, just like that. Get it all nice and coated. Alright, so we're going to put it in the crock pot. I'll lift it up because it's pretty heavy. Can you turn it to high? Perfect. So now we're going to cook it on high for 4 to 5 hours. You can also cook it at low for 7 to 8 hours. Put the lid on. There we go. Alright, let's wait. Alright, so it's been about 5 hours, would you say, Kitty?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's time to finish up the meal. So what we're going to do is start with putting some sour cream into our crock pot. I'm going to put about a half cup to 3/4 of a cup into the stroganoff. Oh, okay. Mix it all up. Alright, and then we also cooked up a bag of egg noodles cooked al dente, and then we tossed in a stick of butter that we're letting melt down. And now it's time to assemble and eat, right?
Yes.
Let's eat?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, let's get some stroganoff. Is that good?
Yes. Beef Stroganoff. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, beef stroganoff is my favorite. So, baby.